Good morning. It's Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. So this is Morning Brief brought to you by Roy S. Idrach, a stock and commodity technical analyst. Today, our topic is going to be the outlook of the market for Friday, October 2nd, 2020. And we're going to be talking about the VIX, Apple, Treasury notes, and more. The VIX is an indicator that works the opposite at the market. So when the Dow Jones Industrial goes down, the VIX goes up. We normally, the way we trade the VIX is that we buy options on it. It's the only way. You cannot buy the VIX only to trade. It's an index. It's like a derivative from the behavior of the market. So when the market goes down, the VIX goes up, so you can buy calls, option calls on the VIX and make some money as the market goes down. So meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and look over here at the markets today. We're going to see that DraftKings is $2.45 for the pre-market. Yesterday, we made some money with DraftKings and got out, thank goodness, because this morning we probably would have lost it all in the market opening. This is why day traders close at the end of the day, because they might be sold price overnight. On the other side, we got Apple is still undecided, expected to open minus $3, $1.13. We also have over here advanced micro device that is heading to 90 or 100, but meanwhile today is going down $2.10 for pre-market. And last, we have Apple. Apple again is still undecided. We saw in the chart yesterday, and it's expected to open $2.90. This is pre-market. 7 o'clock Eastern time. We are central, so we are 6 o'clock in the morning. And with that, we're going to look at the charts of Apple. And I'm concerned with this little line here. The black one is overlapping the red one, so it haven't not broke out. Today, this is going to go a little bit lower if it remains like that. So we're not ready to buy Apple or anything. They just don't tell you what's going to happen. It might fall like cut over here before it breaks out again. But until then, we have to wait. Elections and the president now with the virus don't help any because people get emotional about it. They start selling off like it's the end of the world. It's an opportunity for us to take advantage of those things. DraftKings yesterday make the little cross over here, the doji, and still concerned about this black line over the red one over here. This is kind of indecision yet. Even so, we are a little bit positive here. I got concerns about that. I noticed that the volume start coming down, and yesterday barely was above the average. So it's still indicating that it's going to go higher. We expect it to go to $90 or better. But from right now, you know, the last close yesterday, it was 61.83. This morning going to be probably below 59. And we're a long way from 90, but it's an opportunity, and hopefully there'll be at $30 to make up once this thing gets settled. So with that in mind, I have to tell you that that's about it for Friday morning. So always remember that nobody has a secret, nobody has a formula about the stock market, how it's going to be. And the simple reason is that we are humans. There's a lot of human behavior in this and emotion, political, act of God, and things like that can cause the market to turn around on a dime, as we already know. I have a question yesterday. Somebody asked if the background that I got here is virtual and it's or it's not. And he said, well, we change it every day. It is partially virtual. It's a mix because this leaf over here, the real, they move. It's real life plants, but on the background of that is also a building that we can change. And this one that we have this morning is from the New York Stock Exchange in New York. When I was 6 months ago over in New York City, we took those pictures and we're sharing with you this morning. So with that in mind, let me say goodbye, have a good weekend, and go and play some golf or drink a beer and protect yourself from the virus. So until Monday morning, we see you again with brief of the stock market. Take care and have a good Friday.